significant figures. What is the definition for significant figures? The digits, which tells us the number of units we are reasonably sure of having counted in making measurements, are called significant figures. In simply, we can say the digits that are known reliably plus the first uncertain digits are known as what? Significant figures or significant digits. That is the total number of digits. That is the reliable one and the last uncertain one. The reliable one and the last uncertain one, which are directly obtained from a particular measurement, are called significant figures. We can see it from these diagrams here. Now here the mass can be measured by using a what? Digital balance. Now here 6.11 gram. It is showing 6.11 gram. These two are the reliable digits. 6.1 is the reliable digit. And this is the last uncertainty digit. This is the last what? Uncertain digit. Now these digits together is called as what? Significant figures. So here in this number we have three significant figures. Similarly here the first is the reliable one, the second is the uncertain digit. So we have what? Two significant figures. Now here in this one 12.7 is the reliable one, 6 is an uncertain one. Okay, 6 can be changed at any time. So there is an uncertain one. So this is having four significant figures. Here 1.8 centimeter. Here one is a reliable one, this is an uncertain one. So these is having two significant figures. Okay. Now here there are some rules for writing the significant figures. What are the rules? Now all non-zero digits are significant. All non-zero digits are significant. So it should not contain a zero. Now here, example 1342 has four significant figures. 35.6 has three significant figures. 45 has two significant figures. So all the non-zero are significant. Rule number 2. All the zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Here the first number is a non-zero and the last number is a non-zero. In between we have two zeros. So all the zeros which are in between two non-zero numbers are significant. So 2008 has four significant figures. 60.005 has five significant figures. Rule number 3. All zeros to the right of a non-zero digit, but to the left of the decimal point are significant. To the right of the non-zero digit, but to the left of the decimal point. Okay. So all the zeros to the right of the non-zero means this zero. To the left of the decimal point, this zero. These are all significance. So here you have five significant digits. Here you have what? Four significant digits. Okay. So all the zeros to the right of a non-zero digit. This is a non-zero digit. This is the zero which is to the right of the non-zero digit, but to the left of the decimal point. So this is the decimal point. This is the zero to the left of the decimal point is or significant. Rule number 4. A number without a decimal point, the terminal or trailing zeros are not significant. Here there is a number without decimal point. The last zeros are called as the trailing zeros. If the number is not having a decimal point, the trailing zeros are not significant. If it is having a decimal point, then these zeros are valid. This number is not having a decimal point. So the last two zeros are not significant. Now, all zeros are significant if they come from a measurement. Suppose it is written with an unit here. Then these zeros are what? Significant. If there is no unit, that is not significant. The trailing zeros are not significant. But if it is written with a unit, that is what it has come from a measurement. it is written with an unit, then these zeros are what? Significant. So you have 5 significant figures. The rule number 5. If the number is less than 1, the zeros on the right of the decimal point, but to the left of the non-zero are not significant. The number should be less than 1. Okay, here you can see this is a number less than 1. But the zero which is to the right of the decimal point and to the left of the first significant digit, first non-zero significant digit. This is not significant. So these two zeros are not having value. Only 3, 4, 5 is having significant figures. Now all zeros to the right of a decimal point and to the right of the non-zero digit are significant. All zeros to the right of the decimal point. Here this is to decimal point. To the right here there are 2 zeros. So these 2 zeros are significant. Here to the right of the decimal point, this zero is not having what? Significance. But these zeros are significant. These zeros are what? Significant. So all zeros to the right of a decimal point and to the left of a non-zero digit are significant. Rule number 7. The number of significant figures does not depend on the system of unit used. It does not depend on whether which system you are using. That is whether you are using a FPS system or MKS system or SI system, whatever system, CTS system or whatever system it may be. It does not depend upon the system of unit used. But it depends only upon the rules which we have already learned. That is, if it is centimeter or meter, whatever it may be, it is depending upon what? The rules only. It is not depending upon the system of units. Okay. So these are some of the rules to write the significant figures. We have to follow these rules in writing the values.